Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix videos not playing on your iPhone, iPad and iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So if the video is not playing in your iPhone, then what you have to do is just simply open setting, and then let me tell you that you have to install latest software. Just simply tap on general, go to software update. If any update available here, then you have to update your software and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem select is there, then what you have to do is just simply tap on settings, tap on screen time, scroll it down, and here you can see content and privacy restriction. Just simply tap on this, and you have to turn the toggle off for this, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open setting again, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi and just simply forget your Wi-Fi and then re-enter the password and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are using mobile data, then you have to turn the toggle off for mobile data and then turn it on again and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is like this there, then let me tell you that you have to reset all setting. For that, what you have to do is just simply open settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way. Here you can see transfer reset iPhone. Just simply tap on this, then again tap on reset, then tap on reset all setting, give your passcode from here, and just simply tap on reset all setting to confirm the process. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing this, I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.